10 years ago, you would have gone into a lawnmower shop and probably bought a petrol mower. If you come out with battery, you would have just been laughed at. How times have changed. 10 years on, you can now buy an EGO commercial lawnmower. And in this video, we're going to go through the specs.
Tested by Machinery Nation.
EGO have built a huge brand. They've got a massive following and the product range is so vast, and yearly they are bringing out new products to add to that. In that range they have the new Pro X machines, which include the LMX5300SP, which is EGO's answer to a fully commercial lawnmower. And by God, what an awesome looking machine. Being that it's part of the Pro X range, in that range you also have brush cutters, hedge cutters, trimmers, chainsaws, pole saws, and the list goes on. Right, let's check out those key specs. So they say size isn't everything. Well, EGO are boasting a 53cm, 21-inch cutting deck. And what with 8 cutting positions from 20mm all up to 105mm, it means it gives you a good height range of cut. So the height adjusters are moved on 2 levers, front and back, so each axle can be moved independently. Now, EGO's slogan is power beyond belief. Now, there's no lack of power with this mower. It comes with a 1600 watt motor and is powered by their 56 volt system. So in a commercial application, you want 2 things. You want power and you want juice. You want the run time. And EGO have fitted 2 battery ports on this mower, so you can fit 2 of their batteries in to get the job done. So we've fitted it up with a 10 and a 7.5 amp hour battery, but you could put 2 12s in there, giving you 24 amp hours of battery run power. And just remember, those batteries fit in the rest of the tools that EGO produce. A commercial user is going to want something that's nice and strong and sturdy. So EGO have fitted an aluminium or aluminum cutting deck to this machine, and it's fabricated. Let's check out underneath the machine. One thing you'll notice already is there's no belt guard. That's because you've got a motor on the gearbox and you've got a motor on the blade. That hopefully means you've got continual airflow throughout the cutting deck, and it will give you extreme cutting and bagging performance. So we are going to cut some grass and we're going to collect it, but it is a 3-in-1 mower. So you can cut and collect your grass in the bag, you can mulch, and you can side discharge with the rear flap attachment that goes behind the machine. Now I'm the sort of chap that likes a little bit of skirt, and on this machine you've actually got a replaceable deck protection skirt. And look at those wheels, haven't they got bling? They are oversized and they're rubberized, so they're going to give you superior grip. And what more? It's only 46 kilos. It comes with a massive 85 litre grass box. You could almost get lost in here. Alex, where are you to? So you can fold the handles on that point there, and it's got 3 heights of adjustment on the handle assembly itself. So the motor itself has 3 speed controls. You've got Eco, Speed 1, Speed 2, which EGO are calling Super Turbo Mode, and that brings the blade motor up to 3,300 RPM in speed. We've got variable speed control on the drive from slow up to fast. And what's that? Bluetooth control. So I've connected it up to my phone so the Bluetooth is on. Let's do it. Let's go mow. So this is eco mode. Let's bring it down a couple more notches. So I'm on Eco, let's chuck it up to the max. Right, so this mower's got something called peak power performance or peak power technology. And what I've noticed is when you go through the longer grass, the power of the mower just picks itself up to the next level. There we go, hopefully 1 full bag. And the beauty of this mower is you can drive it to your grass heap without the blades going. Right, I'm highly anticipating a full bag because I was starting to get to the point where there's grass being chucked out underneath the deck. So let's have a look. God, look at that, Alex. Look how full that is. Full to the brim. Packed in like a brick. Oh, God, it's heavy. Right, let's check it out. That is some grass. There's no getting away from it. That EGO lawnmower is an absolute beast. It cuts grass well, it bags it to the brim, it's got plenty of power and it's fast. It's all you want from a commercial machine. But I have got one gripe, EGO, and that is that Bluetooth function. I've got it connected to my phone. As soon as you use the mower, it disconnects. Now I'm probably doing something wrong and I need to read the instructions. But for me, I don't think I need Bluetooth. I just want a mower that cuts and collects grass well, which that mower already does. Now in our next video, James is going to go contracting with a commercial YouTuber who's already got his gardening business, so make sure you check that out. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Hopefully you like the video. Let us know in the comments below, have you got an EGO lawnmower or are you considering buying this LMX5300SP? And we'll see you in the next one. Cheerio!